Let's be school ready with Teacher Ray. Pronouns: he, she, it. Are you ready? Let's learn. This is Tim. He is my brother. He. This is Joy. She is my sister. She. This is a cute dog. It can run fast. It. These words are called pronouns. They are words that take the place of nouns. He is for a boy or man. Example: he is a doctor. He. He is happy. He. She is for a girl or woman. Example: she is a teacher. She. She is a kind vet. She. It is for a thing, place, or animal. Example: this is my favorite book. It is from the library. It. This is a turtle. It is very slow. It. This is a classroom. It is very clean. It. Let's practice. He. She. It. You are awesome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.